Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A8 2021, and I'll show you how to take series of pictures in this device camera app. So first we should go into the camera application, and now as can you see, when we just tap once on the shutter button, we can take only one picture. And now just to take a series of the pictures, we should go into the settings application, and here into the swipe shutter button to edge to create GIF, we should switch it to take bar shot. And now here when we'll swipe our shutter button by this way, okay, so you can see that we can take the series of the pictures, and the maximum is 30 pictures here. Now when we'll go back here to the gallery, we can see that we got here 30 pictures, and now we can select just pictures that we'll like, for example this 4 or just 5 pictures, and we can also select all of them, and so we'll select 3 pictures here. We can save them, save 3 pictures, and we can directly delete the unselected pictures, or we can select the 3 pictures just to remove them. And by this way we can take a series of the pictures on our Samsung Galaxy camera. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.